What's up guys, welcome to Dig It with Bhavna, and today I have got Samsung Note 9 Midnight Black. It's so pretty, look at this. And I have got Samsung S9 Plus, which is equally pretty, and look at this red color. It's such a beautiful phone. So like you can see, Note 9 is taller, and you can see my pimple also here. It's taller than Samsung S9 Plus, this one. And because of that, of course, the screen size is much bigger. This is 6.2 inches while this is 6.4 inches. Though I don't like big phones and this is taller, but it's very easy and comfortable to hold in one hand, like you can see. So you won't be having trouble in typing on this one, or use one hand usage for this. So that's a great thing. This is priced at 67,900 rupees, while this is at 64,900 rupees. If you look at specifications, more or less they are the same. Both of these have exactly the same camera. Even the resolution is same for both these phones, but because this is slightly taller, so PPI is 516 for this one, and here this one has 529 PPI, which means your pixel density per inch is higher in this one. By the way, do you know human eye cannot make a difference in more than 300 PPI, at least for text. Of course, the picture quality is going to be much better in higher PPIs or higher resolution phone, but that also means that it's going to be a big drain on your battery. I've been using S9 Plus for a week now, not week, I think 4 days now. While I absolutely love camera quality in this phone, and of course look at this phone, it's such a beauty, but one thing that I hate is the battery. It hardly lasts a day, and it's got 3500 mAh battery. So I'm hoping that this will change in Note, because it has 4000 mAh battery. So today I'm going to basically focus on camera. So your front camera is 8 megapixel, while the back camera dual is 12 megapixel. And you have some very cool features, camera features in this. Slow-mo, whoever has been using S9 Plus, they must have seen this. You get 2-second super slow-mo video, but on Note 9 you can make super slow-mo video for up to 4 seconds, between 2 seconds or 4 seconds. Okay, so we are gonna make a super slow-mo video here. Hold your phone steady and drop. One more interesting thing about this phone's camera is that you can put the camera button anywhere on your screen. So it becomes very easy when you are clicking pictures. So people who click a lot of pictures, and especially selfies and group selfies, they're gonna love this feature. You have that in S9 Plus, by the way. Go to your setting, and then you go to float camera button. Can you see here? Floating camera button. You turn it on here, and now you have your camera button anywhere on your screen. You can move it wherever that you want. So it becomes much easier to click pictures, like see, wherever I want it. Want it here. Okay, no, I want it here. So another interesting feature is your emoji. Go to emoji, then create my emoji. Now let's see. What sort of emoji is it going to create? Now next is you press on this button, and then you go next. Creating my emoji. Here's my emoji. My god, I always wanted long hair, so let me keep it. You can decide your skin tone. So this is the skin tone I'm going for. Then you can decide your hair. Does it look like me? I don't know. This looks much better, but anyway, I'm happy with it. Hello. This is more me. Yeah, this is me. Sure is me. And you can also create wide selfie here. Wide selfies, you can float this click button anywhere. It will be much easier to click bigger selfies, wider selfies, group selfies. Just kill it. This camera is just like S9 Plus camera, but a lot of small upgrades here. Those you're gonna love. And of course, I love the look and feel of this phone. Am I going to invest in one? Well, let's not talk about it right now. I have this phone for some time, and if you want me to do if you want me to check anything else on this one, or run small reviews for you, or if you want me to find out anything else on this phone, please send me those questions. And don't forget to subscribe. So see you around, and I'll be posting a lot of small videos. I hope you love it. Let me know. Bye bye.